and some plus size, please do approach my friend. On behalf of our generous sponsor, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, do continue to have a great day in Bird Park. Thank you and bye-bye.